Sakubona. Let me teach you how to use the verb KHANGELA in sentences. Okay? KHANGELA. So first and foremost, KHANGELA means look. Okay? Please don't confuse it with bona. Bona means see. KHANGELA means look. Okay? For example, KHANGELA lapha. Look here. KHANGELA lapha. KHANGELA laphayana. Look there. KHANGELA laphayana. Look there. Okay? Moving on. If you wanted to say, look this side. KHANGELA ngapha. KHANGELA ngapha is look this side. Okay? And then look the other side would be KHANGELA ngale. KHANGELA ngale. Okay. Ukhangeleni. What are you looking at? Ukhangeleni. So let's look for sentences that answer the question ukhangeleni. All right. I'm looking at the dogs that are passing. Ngikhangele izinja ezidlulayo. Ngikhangele izinja ezidlulayo. I'm looking at the cats that are passing. Ngikhangele omangoye abadlulayo. Ngikhangele omangoye abadlulayo. I'm looking at the ladies that are passing. Ngikhangele abafazi abadlulayo. Ngikhangele abafazi abadlulayo. Ukhangeleni. Ngikhangele amadoda adlulayo. I'm looking at the men that are passing by. Okay? Ukhangeleni. Ngikhangele abantwana abadlalayo. I'm looking at the kids that are playing. Ngikhangele abantwana abadlalayo. Okay? So if the kids were all boys, you'd be like, Ngikhangele abafana abadlalayo. And if they're all girls, Ngikhangele amankazana adlalayo. Is it making sense? So what I wanted to teach you here is how to pronounce ka. So ka is pretty simple because we say ka a lot in other languages, in English, in Shona, right? So in Ndebele, ka is KH. As you can see, the way we write KHANGELA. Without the H, it's ga. Okay? So I taught on this in the previous lesson. You can check out the previous lesson to learn how to pronounce ga, the K without the H, in Ndebele. Once you put the H, you have ka, just like I've been teaching you, KHANGELA. Okay? So, let me give you more words that use the ka or the K. Ki, ko, ku. Okay? We've got words that use all those vowels. Alright? So we've already said KHANGELA. Another one would be ikhandlela. A candle. Ikhandlela. Okay? Next, ikhehla. Ikhehla. Ikhehla means an old man. Ikhehla. Okay? Next, we have ikhovula. Ikhovula means mucus. Okay? Ikhovula. Alright. Lastly, ukhulu. Ukhulu means grandfather. Okay? So ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. It's pretty simple. That's how we pronounce it in Ndebele. Alright. Hope you have enjoyed this lesson. I hope you will go ahead and use these words in your conversations and keep learning Ndebele. Let's do this. Okay? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me see you in the next one. Bye for now.